So check it out. A friend took me to an estate type sale today, and I found this little 994. Also the nickel plate road tender, the 941. Had a caboose too. I had to pound a few dents out. Also, I got out a couple other 7-inch cars that would have been with this set of the Wabash and Pennsylvania merchandise boxcar. Had to do a little work on the motor. Of course, I cleaned up the wheels with a Dremel polishing brush, pick up the shoe. I had to replace the missing pickup spring, and as well as the brush plate screw was missing. But I got it running pretty good. I got a new headlight in it, and so we'll take it for a spin. Yeah, it runs really good. I can imagine some little kid that maybe mom and dad didn't make a whole lot of money back in the late 40s, early 50s, was more than happy to have a little train set like this under the Christmas tree. And it's amazing to me too how big these things are. There's a whole lot of room in there. The motor looks really small. You could probably put a 1666 with a smoke unit in there quite easily. And that nickel plate road tender, I know I put Lionel whistles in those. But that one's in pretty good shape, and so is the locomotive. So we'll leave it as is. I don't have one of these, so now I do. So thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.